Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the findIndex method. It works almost like the find method, and instead of returning the element, it returns the index of the first element that's true in a test function. Let us set up a function. I call that whatIndex. I want to go through all elements of the array and then check if they are bigger than a specific number. Let's say for now bigger than or greater than 6. Now we'll print it out, document.write. We use our ARR array. Then we apply the method .findIndex, and inside we'll use our function, which is the whatIndex. If we run this, we should already have a result, which is 1. So the 17 in index position 1 is the first one that's true. The 5 in index 0 is false. If I make that a 4, we'll get 0 because the 5 would be true already. I make that 18, and then we'll get the 4, which is the 23 in index position 4. So again, whatIndex is the function. It goes through the elements of the array and then checks if the specific element is bigger, in this case bigger than 18. We use this array and apply the function inside of the findIndex, and then it returns the index position of the first element that's true. And this is how you can use the findIndex method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.